Hello everyone, good morning, good evening. I'm going to cook beef soup with vegetables. It's very delicious. This is kind of like a mix and invented vegetables and invented recipe. So you have to try very delicious and super yummy for our dinner. We add that's corn, sweet potato leaves, and also okra, saluyot, and eggplant, and also white squash, and they call opo. I add for the vegetable and beef legs and beef bone and meat. We have to stir fry the garlic, 3 cloves of garlic and one half onion, and also cherry tomatoes or regular tomatoes and ginger. You have to stir it well. As you can see, I stir. So when the ginger, onions, and the garlic is cooked, then you have to add the beef legs, beef bone and meats, and stir it. You have to add salt and beef powder, like 2 tablespoons of beef powder, and then you have to stir it. And then you have to fill up the water inside the pot to make boil the meat until it's soup. So when your water is not enough and the beef legs and also meat is still hard, then you have to add more water until it gets soaked and boiled again. And I have this add salt. At least salt is 1 tablespoon, and also 2 tablespoons of black pepper, and corn. But I have the corn, so while the corn is frozen, and when I cook the corn, I cut it for 4 slices. Then I add the okra, which first from my garden, and also 3 pieces of eggplant and squash, or they call opu. Just half of squash I put, guys, in slice. And then 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. But guys, I add this, maybe I edit. When I edit, I cut, but I put there's 2 tablespoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of beef powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. So there, and add again another additional 1 tablespoon of beef powder. So our beef soup and vegetable is almost cooked. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave comments. And shout out to all my co-YouTuber. Thank you for visiting my channel, and please leave comment. So now let it dry and test, and you have to simmer it again. So the vegetable is cooked. Now we add to sweet potato leaves and saluyot. talbos ng kamite or saluyot. So we cook the at least half minutes, and then the food is ready to serve. So now everything is cooked, the meat is soaked. So now we have to transfer the clean bowl. Guys, I cook this because this is good for the baby. It's so yummy, guys. You have to try it. No matter what kind of vegetable you have to add, as long it's delicious, then you can do it. Like right now, I put, as you can see, I add different kinds of vegetable. So thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.